Hey there, chiropractic brothers and sisters. I've been having a lot of conversations with chiropractors recently about the importance and the challenges of clarifying your vision, your mission, and your purpose. And I want to share a couple of things here. First is this: it's incredibly important that you have clarity in around this because it is your vision and your mission that helps to direct your actions, and it's your guiding North Star of your practice. It's also something that will magnetically attract the right people to you as well. Now, the second thing that not enough people talk about is it can be damn hard to find these. We think that it's going to be a light bulb moment where on Tuesday I don't know it and Wednesday I do. Now, for some people, this is the case. And for those lucky people, they write books about it. They sell millions of those books. And we all compare ourselves to those people and think there's something wrong with us. Now, for the rest of us, developing this vision and mission and purpose there too is a work in progress. For me, it took years and it continues to evolve right now. And it was never a light bulb moment. So if you're struggling with this, be kind, be gentle. It is worth it. It's an evolving process there. Your mission and vision today is possibly going to be very different in 10 years' time as well. But stick with it and be gentle and kind.